Factorize x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Well, again, this is a quadratic expression. So I'm going to write down what a is. A is 1 and b is 2y. If you compare that to that, b is 2y and c equals y squared. So what I need to do now is sum of factors equals b, and that equals 2y. Product of factors equals AC, which is y squared times 1, and that's y squared. I need two factors. When I multiply them together, they give you y squared. When I add them together, I get y. I get 2y. So that'll be y plus y equals 2y. Y times y, y squared, y plus y, 2y. And that equals b. All I now need to do is put x here, x there, so I get 2xy. I'm going to replace 2xy with xy plus xy. So then I go x squared plus, now I'm going to write xy plus xy plus y squared. There's a common factor here, there's a common factor there. The common factor here is x, and that's x plus y is left. X is common, x plus y is left. Plus the common factor here is y, and that's x plus y. So I can now see that x plus y is a factor, x plus y is another factor. And what do I have left? X plus y. So the solution, or the factors, is going to be x plus y, the blue line here, which is common, and what's left is x plus y. And so the factors are x plus y, x plus y. Another way you could have done that is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is basically a plus b squared, which is a plus b times a plus b. As you can see, if we expand that, a times a squared, a times b, ab, b times a, ab, that's why it's 2ab, b times b, b squared. Same thing with this one, where a is x and b is y. So you get the same thing, x plus y, which is basically x plus y squared. Okay, the second factorization, with this one, what we need to do is exactly the same thing. We've got a to be equal to 2, b equals 13y, because I'm comparing with that, and c equals 15y squared. So I need to find sum of factors, and that must be equal to b, which equals 13y. Product means times. product of factors equals AC, which is 15y squared times 2, and that will be 30y squared. That equals 2 times 15y squared. I need two numbers that I can multiply. I will get 30y squared, and when I add them together, I get 13y. And that could be 3 and 10. That give me 13. 3 times 10, 30. 3 plus 10, 13. So I put y there, and that's y as well. All I now need to do is add x to them because it's x. So if I put x there, I put x there, I get x there. So what I'm saying is I get 3xy plus, there's a plus there by the way, plus 10xy was equal to 13xy, because that's 13xy. 13xy is what I have here. So I need to replace that with this. So I'm going to write the expression now. 2x squared plus, now I'm going to put 10 next to 2 because 10 and 2 goes together as a factor. So I'll put 10xy plus 3xy plus 15y squared. 3 and 15 goes together. There's a factor here, there's a common factor there. So common factor here is 2x. So I got x plus 5y. Another common factor here is plus 3y. And I got x plus 5y. If I expand this and expand that, I get that back. Finally, there's another factor here, another factor, and I'll be left with 2x plus 3y. So taking the factor out, x plus 5y is common, and I'm left with 2x plus 3y. So the factors are x plus 5y and 2x plus 3y. Okay, the final one is to again factorize that. Again, apply the same thing. Make sure you A is 3 in this case, B equals minus 17y because I'm comparing with that, and C equals 20y squared. Now I need to find sum of products, sum of factors, and that will be equal to B, which equals minus 17y. Product of factors must equal to AC, which equals to A is 3, so that'll be 3 times 20y squared, and that will be 60y squared. With 60y squared, I need two numbers that I could multiply together. Two numbers I could multiply together, and then if I add them together, they'll be equal to 7 minus 17y. When I multiply them, it'll be equal to 60y squared. So what I'm looking for is minus 12y and minus 5y, because that would give me minus 17y. And if I add x here, x here, x here, I will get minus 17xy. If I multiply 12 and 5, I get 60. Minus 12 times minus 5 is 60. So what I need to do now is replace the 17y with that here. So if I write 3x squared minus 12xy minus 5xy, and that's minus 17y, minus 17xy, plus 20y squared. And now there's a common factor here and a common factor there. The common factor here is 3x, and I'm left with x minus 4y. The common factor here is minus 5y, and I'm left with x minus 4y. Now I can see there's another factor here, my x minus 4y, x minus 4y. Now with that, and what's left is 3x minus 5y. So if I take x minus 4y out, I'm going to get x minus 4y, and what's left is 3x minus 5y. And so the factor will be 3x minus 5y and x minus 4y. And that's how you solve that.